Good morning. Do you want to have some more applesauce? Let's eat a little bit more. I'm going to eat my yogurt. And you're going to eat your applesauce. You want to eat some yogurt? Okay. Here you go. Can we clean that up? Here you go. You've gotten much better at this, you know that. You can move your hand a little farther back on the spoon if you need to. Yeah, just like that. Can I have a bite? Thank you. Good job. So, one pesky little piece. Let's get it. Boop. Yum. Uh-oh. What do you see? What do you see? You want to go on the train? You and Daddy are going to do that later. He promised. Can we show one thing, Cleo? Look. Let's go like this. Happy Valentine's Day.